Hi guys, welcome to Queen Bee's World. Today I will be sharing with you guys how I make my infused water. Detox water is absolutely nutritional for you. In addition to adding more water to your diet, you'll also be getting some of the vitamin content and antioxidants from the fruits you're using. Basically, we are making our own vitamin water, but without the processed ingredients or high price tag. Here are several reasons why drinking water is so important. Number 1, water helps with weight loss. Number 2, it increases your metabolism, which helps you burn fat. Number 3, water provides extra energy for your muscles and helps prevent muscle cramps and strains. Number 4, water improves your judgment and thinking. Number 5, water prevents headaches and minimizes illnesses. Number 6, water improves your mood. And last but not least, water makes your skin look great. But I really love infusing my water with fruit because it makes your water look vibrant and delicious. It's full of flavor and natural sweetness, and your fruit is super yummy. To make my infused water, I will be using lemon, orange, and cucumber. Now we are gonna cut some lemon slices. The lemon in this recipe is great for boosting your immune system and getting rid of toxins. So here are some lemon slices. Now we are going to cut some cucumber slices. Cucumber is anti-inflammatory and helps you stay hydrated. So here are some cucumber slices. Now we are gonna take orange. Orange is a great source of vitamin C. We're gonna cut some slices. So these are our orange slices. I have taken out all the seeds. So here are the slices of the fruits and vegetables that I'm gonna be adding in my water. You can use any vegetables or fruits that are easily available or that you like. So here is my mason jar, and I'm gonna add in the slices of fruits and vegetables into the jar. Some cucumbers, lemons, and of course orange. You can add as many slices as you want. Now I'm gonna add water. Mix it well using a spoon or the straw so that the flavors get infused. So our infused water is ready, and now I'm gonna close the lid, add in the straw. Our detox water is ready. If you guys liked my video, then do like, subscribe, share and comment below. And don't forget to check out my other videos as well. I'll see you guys later. Bye.